Well, viewers, got a treat. Every New Year's Day, I've been having this party for a lot of my friends. We play a hole of golf, hopefully in the blizzard, and have a good time. And my friend Pepe DeMarco, who is a real Italian off the boat from Italy, came over and made these wonderful sausages and peppers for me, and then turned them into a sandwich. So I've invited Pepe to be on the show today, and he's going to show us how to make this authentic Italian sausage and peppers, and then turn it into a sandwich. Good to see you, my man.
Hi, Baba. Good morning.
Yeah.
Good to see you. It's Giuseppe.
Giuseppe?
Giuseppe.
Well,
Pep.
I had no idea. Pepe? Pep. All right. Pep came here from Italy off the boat. He met this wonderful girl, and they moved to Fort Collins, and Pepe is an American.
Yes, I am.
Pepe opened up this business called Highline Motor, where he sold first-rate, beautiful used cars using his love of cars that he learned in Italy. I mean, for example, you know, you can buy a nice Ferrari.
Ferrari.
Oh, I'm sorry. And you can get yourself a really great Bugatti.
Bugatti.
Oh, Bugatti. Okay. So, Pep, when I was a young man in Oklahoma, Italian food was Chef Boyardee. But I always thought Boyardee, you know, that doesn't sound very Italian to me.
Well, Boyardee was the name of the chef that they came up with, the Chef Boyardee, whatever food was, raviolis and tortellini, all that kind of stuff. But
Did you ever eat any of his stuff as a kid?
no,
Mama made it all?
everything was made at home. We did not have a Chef Boyardee in Italy at the time. So it's all here in the United States.
Yeah, okay. Let's get going here, Pep. So the first thing is, you're gonna put a little oil in.
Olive oil and canola oil.
I noticed, Pep, that you're putting it into a wok.
Well, it will cook better. It will, cook faster, and so I put it into a wok. But
I thought a wok was Chinese.
no, I think a wok was invented in Italy and then exported to China.
Oh, Marco Polo took the wok to China, and now the Chinese people are claiming it's theirs?
That's what my beliefs are.
That's where your beliefs are. Okay. So, all right, you got this oil going in here. And so now,
First, we slice an onion, put her in the wok, and let it simmer, and you get sweat it, and then
I'm gonna sweat it.
Yeah.
Another trick, sweating.
yes,
Okay.
and then after that, we'll put a garlic clove in it.
Put a garlic clove, that
Yeah.
you chopped this garlic clove up.
Yeah, just 2-3 pieces. That's all you're gonna do. Very thick pieces, not very thin.
Okay, very thick pieces of garlic go
Yeah.
in.
And so what I did, I had 5 bell peppers, sliced very thin.
So you got these 5 bell peppers sliced in. Pepe, I noticed you are slicing this up very well, man. What's the secret to that?
That's my way of doing it. You know, obviously a guy with a good knife skills will do better than I did, but that's the way I actually, it's all in the wrist.
All in the wrist, lots of training.
Quite a bit, yes.
Italians, the knife skills, where did you learn these knife skills?
Sicily.
In Sicily. Now what happens?
Then I'll get them all together, put them in the wok.
Get them all together, put them in the wok.
A little oregano, a little bit of black pepper, salt, of course, and also onion powder on it.
A little onion powder on that.
And cover it.
You put the lid on them,
Yes.
and then you let them sweat.
Let them sweat. And
Another trick, yeah. Okay,
so they get nice and soft within the 25-30 minutes or so.
yeah. Yeah, you put this nice sausage here on the skillet, but you said normally you would do it outside on a grill. But today, of course, we can't do them on the skillet because it's winter here and my grill is all covered with snow and it's cold out, so we're gonna do it on the skillet.
Yes.
Okay, so now we've got all these peppers and things going. Boy, look at these beautiful sausages. Where did you buy these sausages?
I have a butcher shop in Denver called Carmine on Wadsworth and Florida. I go there often to get Italian sausage because it's the best around.
So Pepe, I always thought Boulder made pretty good sausage. Boulder sausages?
They are good, but they don't measure up to carbine.
Carmine's is the real thing, huh?
Yes.
Okay, we've got our sausages. Man, these sausages are looking good over here. I can't wait, Pep.
Once the sausage and the peppers are cooking, we're gonna slice some of this Italian baguette or French baguette that I picked up at the store. We're gonna make a few slices.
Okay. Okay.
And then we're gonna make one longer one to make a sandwich out of it. All right?
Yeah. This is nice crusty bread here.
Well, bread is very important here. This is very important to have this type of bread. And I've tried many different types, but this is the best I found.
And you're going to say that the Italians invented the baguettes?
No, this is a French baguette, but you know what? We'll incorporate it in Italian food anyway.
So all of my French friends out there, he's not going to take credit for the baguettes here.
No, I don't.
Okay. So, all right, now what happens?
Okay, now that the peppers are cooked and the sausage is complete, it's done. So what I'll do, I'll take all the sausage from the frying pan. Take all the juice and the peppers.
Ooh, the juice.
From and lay them over the sausage. Let them rest for about 10 minutes.
You let them rest. That's another trick. Huh? I'm glad to have you in my kitchen, Pisano.
Grazie, thank you. Okay, so now we're gonna put this on.
Oh, man.
Okay.
Boy, is that looking good. And you're going to squeeze just a little lemon.
Little lemon.
Took the seeds out of there.
Okay. Just a little bit, not much. You don't want to overpower the lemon here.
All right, Pepe, now, show me how to make a sandwich out of all of this. Okay.
All right, we'll get a quarter of a baguette, put some sausage in it, and then peppers, and put some juice in it. Let it sit for a minute or so. I'll take a piece of bread and dunk the bread into the juice of the peppers and the sausage.
Well, Pep, that's sop. That's an American word you may not have learned yet. We're going to sop the bread.
Well, thank you for teaching me that word, because I had no idea what that was.
Okay.
So let it soak all in the bread, gets all those juices going, and just go at it.
Look at this, baby. Look at this, man. This is going to be so good. So, Pepe, I can't tell you how much I appreciate you coming to Mama Mabel's kitchen here. It's been a delight to learn from you and learn all these tricks that you Italians have been keeping from us. But you know what we say about my kitchen here?
Baba, hai una cucina molto ricca.
Una macchina motorito, and that means?
A kitchen very rich.
A very rich kitchen?
Very bountiful.
Very bountiful kitchen?
Yes.
Well, thank you. And it also, by the way, is a clean kitchen. And a clean kitchen is a happy kitchen. Adios and yum, yum.
Ciao.
Ciao.